Hey everybody, TK with TK Tech here, coming with a quick video. I wanted to start doing some unboxings. So here we have a Galaxy Z Flip 5G. My bad on the glare, need to fix the lighting on my unboxing setup. But some of you had been asking for some unboxings before I did reviews, so I thought might as well give it a shot with the new phone. So with the Galaxy Z Flip 5G, it's mostly the same as last year's Galaxy Z Flip. It's the foldable clamshell phone from Samsung, the one that a lot of people thought was going to get trashed over the years, but it seems like the durability has been decent on the test options that have been out there, so I thought I'd give it a crack. Starting out, we got the box. It says Flip. That's pretty much all you're going to see from any of the packaging here. Inside of that box, you'll get a little key card that pretty much says yada yada yada, look how fancy you are, look how fancy this phone is. It's kind of pretentious, it is what it is. But if you're really excited and you haven't had a nice phone in a while, I guess it's something to get you hyped up. Then right away, we have the phone on the top of the box, and then wedged up in there is some documentation, which I opened off camera. This is a learning process doing these unboxing videos. On this little pamphlet you see on the back, you have a SIM card tool, which is always nice to come on an unlocked phone specifically. And you get all your documentation, you got some quick guides, you get some warranty info, you get some advertisements for Samsung's extended warranty, just normal kind of jazz. And then you get the phone itself, which is wrapped up in tons of warning labels. We'll get to that in a second. Underneath that phone, you're going to get some IMEI info, some stickers to keep your serial numbers and all that, and I guess the IMEI and different build numbers, which I do enjoy. As someone who throws away their phone box after a little while, sometimes you forget and you need those to do activation or get into a locked thing. So good to have. You also get a quick charge adapter. I don't remember the exact wattage. I'll post it down in the comments, but this does have fast charge from Samsung. It's a little spacer, and then you get a Type-C cable. Not much to it. This is the same Type-C cable that Samsung is putting with all of its phones currently. Feels a little cheap, but should do the job and should do fast charging. And that's about it when it comes to the actual box. The rest of it is just the insert, which fills a good, 80% of that box itself. So with everything pulled out, there's not a whole lot you get. I was kind of hoping to get some headphones, even some USB Type-C headphones, just something besides the power brick. I'm glad they put a power brick in there, Apple, but kind of need a little more when this phone's $1,400. I'm gonna be honest. Like I said, the SIM card tool, good touch. It's a small one, but it does have a keychain ring, which I admire. I'm a big fan. And like I said, you get on the phone itself, and it pretty much tells you never use this thing ever or it will break. Now, it's a little overzealous, but they're really, really, really hoping no one actually breaks the screen right away. I think you still get a free screen replacement, or it's a $100 screen replacement if you break it in the first year. I need to verify that, but they really don't want you to bust this thing before turning it on. So that's about all you get in this box. Like I said, a little underwhelming. I'm going to pull off the plastic here. Didn't actually have the audio running, so you don't get that satisfying pull, but nothing was really stuck to the phone. It was kind of just wrapped around it loosely, so not the best plastic pull I've ever had. That's for sure. But there's the actual phone. Feels like a normal S phone when you pull it out, and then it folds, which I'm still not fully used to. I've been using this thing for about 3 or 4 days now, and still having to get used to the actual hinge. It does feel premium, though. I know a lot of people have said it doesn't feel like $1,400, but I don't know what they're talking about. There's a real good finish, nice aluminum edges. Everything feels solid on this. This feels like a top-tier device right out of the box at the least. So we're going to boot this baby on, get it all fixed up, and I will have my first week impressions here in a couple days and a full review to follow. Like I said, just wanted to do a bit of unboxing as I get new stuff coming in, might as well. I know a couple of you had asked for it on some of my monitor reviews, so this will be a reoccurring thing if everyone enjoys it. Please let me know in the comments if you like the unboxing, what I should change. This is a work in progress, this whole setup. So feel free to let me know if you have any tips or tricks as far as the unboxing goes that you'd like to see. And be sure to check out my Viotech 27-inch video that I just dropped on Sunday here at the top of the screen. That monitor is a hoot and a half for not much money. And I know a lot of you enjoy a bargain. So for this video, I'm going to let the music ring out. I'm TK with TK Tech, and we'll see you in the next one.